Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Madeline. Hi, I do vlogs, I do cleaning with me, I do makeup, I do everything. Okay, so today I have an unboxing. Yeah. So I have, oh look at the kitty pie right here. Anyway, I have an Ulta haul. Whoa. Ulta haul upside down. I opened this box upside down, guys. I just opened it so I wouldn't make noise in the video while opening. Sorry, I had a blank right there. Okay, and then I got this FabFitFun starter box, guys. Oh my god, I already opened it. I didn't really take out anything. I just opened the little paper that makes a lot of noise. I took off the sticker and I just saw one thing. So yeah, guys, let's open this together. This is the summer starter box. Let's go ahead and open it. So yeah, guys, if you like videos like this, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, let's get into this video. I'm not gonna make my intro so long because I always do. Okay, guys, so the first thing we have here is the little magazine. I'm not a subscriber of FabFitFun. The way you get these boxes is if somebody is subscribed to the box and they get like starter boxes and they could give it to their friends. So I just got this from a Facebook group. I told them I wanted to try it because I am interested, because BoxyCharm is just not working for me. So I wanted to see what it is, so I got it from somebody on Facebook, guys. So it's, yeah, it's this magazine. It says, "Are we friends?" Yeah, in the back. I don't know, it's just a little magazine. I guess it tells you what oh, live your best life, guys. You should. And I guess it tells you how to use the products. Okay, so I'm opening. And guys, it comes like this. Sorry. So the first thing we see is this Adore, what is this? Circle bracelet. And I knew my daughter opened this and took out the little pamphlet, but I think this was $38 if I'm not mistaken. I don't want to look for the pamphlet thingy, but yeah. So it's this bracelet, guys. Next thing we have here is a Thirsty Hands Super Hydrating Hand Mask. Ooh, these seem cool, but I don't know how I would feel to stick my hands in gloves with, like, I don't know. That's kind of weird, isn't it? So this is cool. I might give it to my mom. She works in the laundry and she could probably use these. Her hands are, she always uses hand cream, so I'm guessing this will be good for her. Next thing is, oh my god, Shake Me Up. It says Pep Rally Prep Prime and Prep Detangler Dry Bar. Oh, that's cool. It says how to serve moisture and damp hair and brush through before blow drying. Sorry, guys. Oh, it protects hair from heat. It's a detangler. So yeah, guys, that's what that is. I always need a detangler since right now my hair, look, it just hangs up so quickly, it's crazy. And the last thing we have here is this Tart Seed Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. Oh, like a face cream. Oh, this is really cute. Let's open it up. It's like this. Ooh, I've never heard of this, guys. Let's open it since I will use this. Oh, it's so sealed. I don't want to open it. Ooh. Oh, and this smells really good. Look, guys. That looks really good. Oh my god, I like this. So apparently it's worth the box because this is like expensive. I mean, you only pay for shipping, guys. So if you're able to get a starter box, I say go ahead and get it. And for $5, I mean, it's super worth it. You know what I wanted though? I saw that in other starter boxes they had the sunglasses. Oh my god, I was really excited. I was hoping for the sunglasses, but I guess not. But I mean, that would be really cool to get. Okay, now it's to the Ulta haul, guys. Oh my god. So you know they were having a sale. Yeah, I didn't get a lot of things. I just got a little bit, but I want to share with you guys. Oh my god, guys. These were like $12. Oh my god, I love these. I'll swatch a few for you. These are the Jeffree Star Iconic Nudes. Yeah, by Morphe. Okay, so we'll open these up. Okay. So I have Leo already, so I'm gonna not swatch this because I already have that. But let's see. Ugh, I always want a mannequin. Let's see how it is. And guys, on my lips today, I'm wearing Gemini. Okay, let's see. This is Mannequin. Oh my god, I'm gonna love this color. Stop, Analia. That's my daughter, sorry. She wants everything. Oh my god, this is such a good color. It's like really light. Whoa, look at that. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it all the time. I know you know what it looks like. Then we have the glosses. This is let's swatch this one. I'm pretty sure you've seen swatches of these already, guys, because well, I'm pretty sure they're really popular. It's Jeffree Star. Star Crown. So cute. Oh, that's really pretty. It's just like a nude gloss, guys. I'm sure you know that already. Right here. Ugh, I love lipstick. No problem, guys. I've been ordering so much of Facebook groups, guys. Like, you know, I tell you I have a problem. Yeah, it's getting out of hand. I can put it back. Okay, the other one is a clear, and then I'll do this one too. Pretty sure you all know what clear gloss looks like. And then this one is Slurp. This is like a gold with glitter. Oh god, that is so pretty, but I don't know what I would wear it or how. I mean, I love gloss and I don't love gloss, you know what I mean? Just tell me if I'm crazy, because sometimes I feel crazy. I have to even put these back in. Jesus Christ. Oh, got it. That's like hard to put back. Poor people have to be putting these in. Okay, next thing, I got it, guys. I couldn't help myself. It's like usually $42, I think, and it was on sale for $21, and that was on sale for $11. Well, that's what it says because I had some points, so I used them, like $3. But that was on sale. These were for $21, guys. Oh my god, I had to get it. I just had to. Let's see. It comes like this, and it brings little brushes like these. Oh my god, these are so beautiful, guys. Can't wait to use those. Okay. Yeah, I'm making a mess over here. Okay. Next thing I got was the Tarteist. What is it, guys? Tarteist or Tarteist in Fortune. Lip paint in, yeah, Fortune. And let's swatch this for you. And I'm gonna do that right here. Oh my god, I love that. Oh, these are my colors, guys. Look at this right here. That's so good. This was on sale too. This was only $12, I believe. It was good. Instead of $20, which is usual. And I got the e.l.f. Total Sponge. I also got this Shea Butter Vegan Lip Balm from Shea Moisture. I hope it's good. I need a good lip balm, guys. And then I got this Wet n Wild Mega Last Stained Glass Lip Gloss. Oh my god, this is so cute. But I don't feel like it's very lip glossy. Look, I'll show you. Well, maybe yes, but I don't know. Sorry, my swatches suck. Right here. It's not very lip glossy. But I like the color. It's really pretty. Something I really like. And then these lashes. Oh my god. Guys, I've been having the hardest time with my lashes lately. Like, they don't want to stay on. They fall off. Oh god, guys. Sometimes I'm like, I just want to give up and throw them all out and just wear natural lashes. But my natural lashes suck. They are so short and straight. And they're just the worst things ever. And then I got this blush. It's Mellow Wine from Wet n Wild. I'll swatch it for you right now. If I can ever open these things. Oh, guys, I have such problems opening. I'm stupid. Anyway, okay, let's swatch this. It's right here. Let me see. It's right... You cannot even see that. It's right here. And let me swatch again because you cannot even see that. It's right here. See? That's really pretty. So yeah, guys, that was it for my haul. I hope I did a better this time. I kind of swatched things, and yeah, guys. So it was short, but guys, I have a shopping problem. And if you want to see more not shop with me, but more, how do I say it? If you want to see more hauls, because I'm always getting things, just let me know, and I'll definitely do more videos on what I got. because guys, I buy things from the Facebook groups and I just have like a ton of things, but if I make a video on that, it's gonna be so long. But if you want to watch it, guys, I'll do it. And yeah, guys, so yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you like my video, and I'll do more later in the week. I haven't done one because, well, I've been feeling really bad, and today was one of those things where I felt a little bit better to film. But guys, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.